Hello, hola, bonjour, guten tag. How are you guys doing? I'm doing good if you ask me. Okay. Today's video is going to be a little look through of my bathroom that I remodeled. If you hear anything in the background, that's my roommate's dog up there. Say hi, Bella. Okay. Anyways, here she comes. So I'm just gonna give you a quick tour of my bathroom. Right now I'm gonna show you the before. I was downstairs because you know the lighting right there is fabulous. But my bathroom, well, my room's upstairs, and I guess I'll just switch over to what it looked like. This is gonna be before, and obviously I'll show you after. All right, so when you walk into my bathroom, fair warning, I did not clean up at all because I wanted to show you the for real before. So, I mean, because it's pretty small, it's nothing spectacular. But what I plan on changing is obviously the area by the sink is really small, so I have to make do. I have these towels, I'm gonna switch them out. And then this right here, these are like t-shirts that I use to dry my hair off. I like the lights. I'm gonna keep the lights up. And I'm getting rid, this is the only thing I'm getting rid of, this above toilet stand thing, because it's blocking this rack, which I want to use for more towels and such. Alright, if you move from the direct left to the door, see my shower, bathroom, this I got from Walmart for like $5, so I definitely want to change that. So I definitely want to replace that. I've seen some people change the shower head. I'm gonna keep that. I don't really care. And then like some candles I just put right there because I'm extra. And yeah, I mean this is the main thing I'm changing. I might want to change the floor. See, I didn't sweep or nothing. I might want to change the floor to a temporary kind of a thingamabob. But yeah, see the walls are really plain. I want to add something to the walls. So overall, the whole feel of my bathroom is pretty blank. Honestly, this above toilet is making it look cluttered. But yeah, so here's before, like before I did any cleaning at all, which was an obvious good idea. All right, so this is a few weeks later. If it looks any different, I got a new phone. So if the quality is weird or switches up, that's the reason. But I finished my bathroom. I'll show you what it looks like. Come on. I've made quite a few changes. Okay. So I want to start from one end and work my way over. Like I said, my bathroom's kind of small, so I'm just trying to work with whatever space I have. But starting from the left side near the tub, I have these racks. The racks I got from TJ Maxx. I got this speaker, this Bluetooth shower speaker from Amazon. And then I got this curtain. I also got a curtain behind this curtain to protect this one. But the curtain says soul on it. I thought it was simple, cute, chic, so I got it. Above the shower curtain, I have these little fake jewels shower curtain holders. Got these from TJ Maxx as well. And then moving on from my shower, I have this poster. It says Clifford Girl on it. If you don't know what that is, I'm gonna need you to find out because that's unacceptable. But I got the shower curtain, the soul shower curtain, and this poster from Society6.com. Below the poster, or canvas is what they call it online, I have these towels I got from Walmart. Nothing special, white towels. Above the toilet, I have a little holder. You can't really tell. Underneath it says bath. And I got this holder, the candle, and the fake plant from TJ Maxx. And then just some, you know, what are these called? hand sanitizers. Jesus Christ. So most of the things in here I did get from TJ Maxx, Walmart. So moving on to my vanity, I have this fake marble. As you can see, it's the same as on the floor, all around the floor. And I got the marble, or it's fake marble. It's contact paper, and I got it from Amazon. Then to the left of the mirror, I have this dispenser for toothpaste and the holder for toothbrushes. I just have two because I use one for my edges and the other one for actually brushing my teeth. But it has a time on it, and it holds the toothpaste above, and it dispenses right out here. So I thought that was cool. And then I have the DIY vanity I made from fake flowers. And then I organized my space on my counter. I have this little facial wash from, I got this from Amazon. It's pretty cheap, but it looks really nice, so I like that. And then I have this holder for mouthwash. I have some Mary Kay stuff that I got from the package in my previous video. And then just a holder for my cotton swabs and cotton rounds. And then just some oil, which is unnecessary. But all this holder for the mouthwash and the holder for the cotton swabs and cotton rounds that I got from Amazon. And then below the cabinet, I did some organizing somewhat. I got some racks. This whole rack right here is from Amazon. Or not Amazon, sorry, Walmart. And then these little mini rack holders I also got from Walmart. So I just kind of put this in, adjusted it, and then slid these on top. And just try to organize as best as I could. But I have a lot of stuff, and I probably need to throw some of this away. But, no. And then lastly, I just have this trash can that I got from TJ Maxx. More about the marble. I put some marble on my light switch and my outlets. So I'm just going to give you a full view as much as I can from the outside of the bathroom. So you can get a feel. And I did not just almost fall. All right. And that was my full upgraded bathroom decor. If you have any questions, any DIY you want me to do or recreate, you want to know anything else was from, just let me know in the comment section. I figure if you have the questions, you will ask them, so I don't need to write it down just yet. But yeah, like I said, if you do like it, like the video, subscribe to my channel. I don't make videos often, I will say that. So guess what? You won't be having no notification posts going off every other day. Like, comment, subscribe to this video, and y'all have a blessed day. Goodbye.
Hermes link, ice blue mink, tat on my ribs like I do not know what permanent is. They want me gone,